2003 Coachman Aurora M-3380 for sale in Bowman, North Dakota 58623. Spread your wings and fly with this 2003 Coachman Aurora M-3380. This Class A motorhome is 33 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong gasoline engine mated with automatic transmission. This RV has one slide-out, one manual awning, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 5 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with leveling system, backup camera, and captain's chairs. With only 10,800 miles, you can rest assured that this Coachman Aurora will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2003 Coachman Aurora M-3380 is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living.